In this video, I'm here to unveil not one but two brand new money-making apps that actually pay you for watching Google ads. Yes, you heard that right. Cold hard cash for simply watching ads. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of using these apps, along with bonus tips to maximize your earnings. You can make some easy cash by watching Google ads. Just chill and watch one ad and you'll pocket $11.35. If you're up for 10 ads, that's $13.50 in your pocket. I've got the lowdown on two new apps that pay you for every Google ad you watch. So check out this website. It's all about getting paid while you surf the net. Now you can cash in on your Google Chrome or any other browser action by watching ads. This app's got a solid 4.5 rating on Trustpilot, proving it's the real deal for making some online money. Alright, let me break down how this thing works. First off, sign up for the app and hook up your Google browser. Then, whenever you're searching on Google, you'll start seeing ads like these pop up. Each ad you watch puts some cash in your pocket, and you can cash out using PayPal, Bitcoin, or choose these cool gift cards they've got. Hit up the sign up button, throw in your email and password, check that terms and services box, and you're in. Now this app is called adslice.com. Now don't leave just yet after hearing the name of this site, because we still have to get through all the steps. So make sure to buckle up for the entire video. Check out the cool new feature on this app that'll amp up your earnings, which I will unveil soon. Slice is rocking a 4.4-star rating on Trustpilot, and it's legit, a verified company you can count on. Peep this dashboard with 10 slices up for grabs just for signing up. Now, let's dive into the details. Link up your Slice account with your Google browser so you can catch those Google ads and get that sweet cash. Hit up the Connection tab on the left and click on Connect New Extension. Alright, to get things rolling, we gotta slap on the Slice extension. Hit that Add to Chrome button and you'll see they've already got a solid crew, 70,000 users, and a sweet 4.5-star rating from 800 folks worldwide. Click Add to Chrome and Slice is now part of your Google Chrome crew. Pin it to your tab for easy access. Just click on it, hit the settings icon, and hit Log In. Your Google browser is now synced up with your AdSlice account. Pop over to a new tab and throw in a search. Let's go for Google Ads to make it simple. Now as you're cruising the web, keep an eye out for those sponsored ads. They'll be popping up everywhere. On this page, other websites, you name it. And the best part? You're raking in cash for every single ad that shows up on your browser. Now real quick before I reveal 3 bonus tricks. If you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if you hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. So here's the first bonus move to boost your earnings. Check out that Slice extension of yours. Make sure you've cranked up the ad range to the max. The more ads you see, the more cash you're stacking. The second bonus is to flip the switch on the Slice search experiment. What's that gonna do? Well, it mixes in some Bing ads with your regular searches. So when you're looking up stuff, you'll see not only Google ads but also some Bing ads popping up. And guess what? Every time those ads grace your screen, you're pocketing some extra cash. Here's the third bonus hack. Take that Slice tab option. Just hit up the notifications and jump to a new page. Click that Add to Chrome button, slap on the Slice tab Chrome extension. Now, every time you crack open a new tab, it's gonna look a little something like this, with an ad chilling in the bottom right corner. Guess what? You're cashing in just by opening new tabs. No need to even click on those ads. How cool is that? Since we flipped on the Slice search thing, now when you search on your new tab, you'll get results that not only have the usual stuff, but also toss in some Bing ads. And guess what? More ads mean more dough in your pocket on adslice.com. The cool part? It's open to everyone worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you're at. You can still make some cash watching ads. On your dashboard, you'll spot your monthly earnings and the slices you've racked up from watching those ads on your Google browser. Now, how much cash you pull in per ad depends on where you're at in the world. The sweet part, you only need 35 cents to cash out on this site, and snagging that amount is a breeze. You can do it in just a day. But remember, the payout for each ad varies by country. When you've stacked up a decent amount, hit up the payout section to cash out. When it's time to cash out your earnings, pick the payment method that suits you best. If you go for PayPal, just keep in mind they'll take a 4% cut. But hey, there's always the option of rolling with Bitcoin or snagging some virtual gift cards they've got in the mix. Now every time you open a new tab, search, and cruise on your Google Chrome, those ads popping up mean you're making cash all for free. Now let's dive into the fresh scoop on AdSlice. They just rolled out this cool rewards feature. You get to pick from a bunch of surveys to score some quick slice on adslice.com. They lay it all out for you, how much slice you'll bag, how long the survey takes, and what folks are saying about it. But here's the kicker. You can actually choose the kind of surveys you're into. Hit up that filter icon and you can go for the shortest ones, the best matches, or the ones paying out the most. It's like picking your survey adventure. To hit that withdrawal limit, knock out these surveys while you're catching those Google browser ads. And here's a little something for you. My secret sauce for making quick cash with AdSlice. Hit up the crew option on the left. If you bring a buddy, you bag 1,000 slices once they've been active for 30 days. And here's the cool part. Your friend scores a cool 100 slices for free. Get your invite link by hitting this button, then toss it to your buddies. Or spice things up a bit and drop it in Facebook groups. Create a post, something like this. You can use mine or cook up your own for that personal touch. More trust, more signups. Even if just 10 folks jump in and stay active for 30 days on AdSlice, you're looking at a cool 10,000 slices. That means more cash flowing in than just cruising those Google Chrome ads solo. Hey, quick heads up before I introduce our next website. Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button, so feel free to toss a subscribe with notifications on and share with me your location like I'm from blank, aka your country, with your goal of how much money you want to make online. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from. And trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Be one of the first in the know and stack that cash. Now let's check out the next website, timebucks.com. Hit up that sign up button, get yourself registered, and dive into your account. Timebucks is your go-to for racking up cash by knocking out quick tasks. The best part? It's open for business worldwide. Folks from all corners are making that extra dough. And if you check Trustpilot, it's got a solid 4.5 stars. Over 2,000 people drop reviews and the vibe is mostly positive. This is one legit hustle you can roll with from anywhere on the map. Once you're in your account, check out this dashboard. To score some cash watching ads, hit up the Earn section. Now, out of these 5 choices, click on Content. Make sure Ad Click is selected and you're good to go. Just tap that View button and a fresh tab will pop up. That's where the money-making ad watching magic happens. Make sure to chill on that new tab for just 5 seconds. That's all it takes. Once you've hung out, close it up and you're getting those earnings listed right here. Another task pops up and you just keep this cycle rolling. Hit that View button again, repeat the 5-second drill, and collect your cash. Now, the amount you make for each ad depends on where you're at. If you're in the US or Australia, you're looking at some sweet earnings. Other countries might be a tad less. But combine both these sites from the video and you're pulling in around $1.35 per ad on average. Rack up enough and you're easily cruising past that $400 mark. There you have it, the keys to unlocking earnings while watching Google ads with adslice.com and timebucks.com. It's time to turn your browsing time into real cash. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word and help others discover the potential of these incredible money-making apps. For more tips, tricks, and updates on innovative ways to make money online, subscribe to our channel, ring that notification bell, and stay tuned. Your financial journey is just the beginning, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and here's to a future filled with extra cash, exciting opportunities, and financial freedom. Happy earning!